What's up guys, and welcome back to Before Crypto. In this video we're going to look at Bitcoin because we could see that we got a rejection round about the $24,200 level, and at the moment we can see that we bounced off from this resistance box that is now support. And guys, are we going to see a pump from these regions, or are we going to see a catastrophic dump? Because guys, we got the news that Elon Musk and Tesla sold 75% of their Bitcoin holdings. We're going to find out, is it a time to sell? Are we going to see a massive crash? Or what was the direct statement from Elon? We're going to find out all of that, guys. So guys, we're going to go on the weekly chart and we're going to find out where Tesla bought and exactly at which levels they might have sold. And are we going to see that this major dump was just caused by Elon Musk? We're going to find out exactly that, guys. And guys, we're also going to go on the 4-hour chart because yesterday in my Telegram group I told you that the markets look quite toppy in these regions. So exactly that happened, guys. We saw a dump all the way down to a level of $22,300. And are we going to break out from this formation on the daily chart? We're going to find out all of this, guys, because at the moment it still looks very bullish for Bitcoin. So guys, if you want to find out more, watch the video until the end, smash up the like button, and guys, support me on my journey and subscribe to my channel. And now let's start with the video. First of all, welcome to my channel Before Crypto. Guys, it is really important that we have to be for crypto at the moment because guys, I really do believe that we are near to the bottom, and guys, I'm going to show you now on the daily chart my bullish scenario if we're going to break out. Because first of all guys, we saw this break from this trend line all the way up to a level of $24,200, and at the moment we are seeing a massive rejection. So guys, you can see that I drew this trend line and it looks like a symmetrical triangle. So guys, at the moment I don't think that this channel is still valid because guys, we got a lot of negative news in the markets. We also got the news that Tesla sold 75% of their Bitcoin holdings, but guys, I believe that all the damage has been done and that we are near to the bottom. Because guys, I'm going to show you on the daily chart my price target if we're going to see this breakout towards the upside. So if we're going to break out from this symmetrical triangle, I could see a price target if we take it from the top to the bottom trend line. So then we take it to the potential breakout point, and then you could see that our price target would be $28,888. And this is a magic number, guys. And this is also where the 100 moving average on the daily chart is. So guys, I really do believe if we're going to see a bounce from this top trend line and also from this resistance box that is now support, we could, in this bullish scenario, reach price targets of $28,000, guys. But guys, we also have to consider that this maybe was just a fake out and that we are going to get bad news from the Fed from the FOMC meeting on the 27th of July. We're going to find out, guys, because we could also dump all the way down to this trend line. But guys, even if we come all the way down to the previous all-time high of $20,000, we would still form a higher low, and guys, this would mean we are still in a bullish move, and this could be the overall bottom. So guys, now we're going to go over to the news from Elon Musk, and we're going to find out exactly what Elon Musk said. So guys, we can see that Tesla has dumped 75% of their Bitcoin holdings. So guys, we're going to read through this article. Early last year, Tesla invested $1.5 billion in Bitcoin, banking on what the electric car market called the digital currency long-term potential. The company has already sold 3/4 of their holdings. As of the end of Q2, we have converted approximately 75% of our Bitcoin holding purchases into fiat currency. Tesla said its second quarter's earnings statement on Wednesday. The company said those sales added $936 million in cash to its balance sheet. For Tesla, the fair market value of its Bitcoin holding reached $2.48 billion in the first quarter of 2021 and ended the year at about $2 billion. The company didn't say what price it sold or provided the size of the impairment, but Bitcoin started the second quarter to 46,000 and ended below 19,000. The reason we sold a bunch of our Bitcoin holdings was that we were uncertain as to when the COVID lockdowns in China would elevate. So it was important for us to maximize our cash position. Musk said in an earnings call on Wednesday, this should not be taken as some verdict on Bitcoin. He said, adding that Tesla is open to increase in crypto holdings in the future. So guys, this whole article just tells us that Elon Musk and the company Tesla at the moment are having problems with the lockdown in China. So guys, all of the elite and the 0.1% of the whole population, they are so deep into the banks, so they really have to do what the banks tell them. So maybe some bank told him that he must sell his Bitcoin to get more credits for his company. We do not know, guys. I really do believe that we have to read between the lines. And guys, we can see that they didn't say when they sold the Bitcoin, but Bitcoin started the second quarter at close to 46,000 and ended below 19,000. So guys, we're going to go over to the weekly chart to really find out where did Tesla buy and where could he have sold. So guys, from the information that we have from the article on the weekly chart, we can see that this green box would be the price where Elon Musk bought, round about these areas when Elon Musk bought Bitcoin with the company Tesla. This would be now very interesting because we started the quarter two at this exact point, guys. So maybe Elon Musk sold all the way down to his profit, or maybe he sold a bunch on these levels and then a little bit dollar cost average out of Bitcoin. So guys, maybe Elon Musk even sold in a profit, causing this dump all the way down. Maybe not the whole bear market, but maybe that we go all the way down to the level of our previous all-time high, the 20,000 US dollar level, because so many Bitcoins were dumped onto the markets. But guys, maybe this is also the factor why Bitcoin went under the 200 weekly moving average. So guys, maybe this could be that this whole situation is already priced in. So guys, I don't think that this is going to have a negative effect on the markets because guys, he already sold his Bitcoin. So we're not going to see a fast move because all these coins have been distributed in the market already. And maybe this was the main reason why we saw this sharp correction towards the downside. So guys, actually I think that these information are quite bullish because guys, it can't get any worse. And Bitcoin is still holding very strong. Because guys, like I told you on my Telegram group, that I think that the markets look quite toppy, and I told you exactly here that we're going to see a dump soon. And exactly that happened, guys, and we came all the way down to this prediction that I have drawn, guys. And we found perfect support at the level of 22,300 US dollars. So guys, at the moment we are seeing that Bitcoin is still holding very strong because obviously we can see we are still forming higher lows, and that is quite bullish, and even higher highs, even though we saw this major correction. But guys, we're now going to go over on the 1 hour chart to find the next potential trade. So we're going to find out which kind of structure we are forming on the 1 hour chart to determine if we're going to see a bullish or a bearish move. So guys, if you like this content so far, go down, smash up the like button and subscribe to my channel. So let's go on the 1 hour chart. So guys, on the 1 hour chart, we have to determine now, are we going to see a breakout or a breakdown? And for that, we are going to draw our trend line from this high that we have formed to these highs. And then we can see that we have formed this downward trend and that we already broke out from this trend. Let me just correct it like so. And then we can see that we can also draw a trend line from these wicks all the way to this point. And then you can see that we perfectly bounced off from these levels. But at the moment we are seeing that on the 1 hour chart, Bitcoin is getting some resistance from the support and resistance line, because here we saw we got resistance and support on these levels, and that's why we are seeing some resistance at the moment. So guys, I could expect that we come down towards this trend line and also the top of this support box that we have formed that was previous resistance. So I would open a position if we're going to see a positive bounce from these regions. But I will keep you updated, and I will post all of this trading information in my free Telegram group. So guys, if you always want to stay updated about market situations, if I'm not uploading any videos, go down onto my Telegram group, because there you get free information and free trades. So guys, I want to thank you all for subscribing to my channel and smash up the like button. So guys, we are going to see each other in the next video, and keep in mind, you have to be for crypto.